adventure seekers, road trippers, and everyday drivers. Get ready to meet your ultimate companion. This is the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering mountain trails, this car is built to handle it all. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the 2026 Outback a true champion in the crossover SUV game. Let's get started. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Subaru Outback is its redesigned exterior. Subaru has taken its rugged DNA to the next level while refining its modern aesthetics. Up front, the hexagonal grille is bolder, flanked by sleek LED headlights that now include adaptive high beams. The new matte black cladding adds a tougher look and improved protection for off-road adventures. And check this out, 18-inch alloy wheels come standard, with an optional 20-inch upgrade for those who crave extra style. The roof rails are more versatile than ever, featuring integrated crossbars that fold away when not in use. Subaru knows you'll be strapping kayaks, bikes, and even rooftop tents up there. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as comfortable as it is capable. The 2026 Outback raises the bar with its luxurious materials and thoughtful design. The seats? They're trimmed in premium Napa leather, with heating and cooling options for both front and rear passengers. Subaru also introduced a brand new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, fully compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice-activated assistant. Under the hood, the 2026 Subaru Outback gives you options to match your driving style. The base engine is a 2.5-liter boxer engine, delivering 182 horsepower, ideal for everyday drives with impressive fuel efficiency. For those who crave more power, there's the 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer, pushing out a thrilling 260 horsepower. So, there you have it, the 2026 Subaru Outback, a perfect blend of adventure, technology, and style. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a reliable, versatile vehicle, this Outback has something for everyone. What do you think? Is this the ultimate adventure SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the hottest cars in the market.